Stop starting over and reinventing yourself every month, and stop abandoning the person that you're trying to become every time life gets inconvenient. Because the truth is, you'll never become unrecognizable if you keep interrupting your own transformation midway. Most people think that to have a transformation in their lives, they need to make huge changes and do like something really crazy. But a real transformation, it actually begins right now, in this quiet moment where you're finally honest with yourself about who you've been, who do you want to become, and what God is calling you to do next. This isn't about becoming something completely new and different. It's all about going back to who you really are in your essence and what you really want. Because right now it's so easy for us to get lost in the noise, in what people are sharing on social media. And that's why we are getting so tired and exhausted and frustrated. This isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the person that God already placed in you. You are watching this feeling tired, disappointed, feeling behind and frustrated because your results don't match your potential. Let's all take a deep breath together. You are not failing, you are not behind, you are in a season. And today we are going to work with the season that you are in, not against it. This is a moment that you finally stop rebuilding everything from scratch and finally grow into the person that you've been praying to become. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Leticia, and in this channel, we talk about how to make extra income, digital products, Notion, and all the things in between. Today, we are not just setting goals, we are actually resetting our lives and our businesses emotionally, spiritually, and practically. And that's why I created a free template for you that you can go ahead and download right now. Together, we are going to map out who you are becoming, why you haven't been able to stick with your goals before, which emotional seasons you are actually in, what systems you need to put in place to support your future self, and how to let your identity catch up to your desires and really embody this new identity and become truly unrecognizable. So that's exactly what we're doing. So make sure you have a cup of tea or a coffee, any drink on your side, because we're going to be doing stuff. And to make this really practical, I created a free Notion template that you can follow along with this video. This is 100% free. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to leave your email. All you need to do is click on the link, duplicate the template, and follow along in the video. This is a gift from me to you, but if you'd like to contribute to my channel, you can go ahead and just leave a like below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. But before we set any goals, we first need to get very clear about who is the person that we want to become. And my favorite book about this topic is Atomic Habits. If you have the physical book, you can open in page 30. This book explains this concept of starting any habits, any changes inside out. So basically, in this circle, you're going to see the outer circle is the outcomes. The middle circle is the process that you use, let's say a template, a system, and the middle, which is the core of everything, is your identity. And that's what he says here. Many people begin the process of changing their habits by focusing on what they want to achieve. The alternative is to build identity-based habits. With this approach, we start by focusing on who we wish to become first. So tell me, who's the person that you want to become in detail? You're going to open your template in the first card, identity and motivation, and you're going to fill out this first section, which is your identity blueprint. This is the person that you want to become, and we're going to start from that. So you need to think about, how does she dress? How does she speak? And by the way, I'm using she here because most of my audience is female, but you can just adapt that. How does she handle stress? How does she take care of her body? How's her morning routine? Who are her friends? Where does she go to? What does she no longer tolerate? What habits does she embody daily? So you're going to pause the video and you're going to fill those out before we go to the next step. One of the big reasons why most people don't stick with their goals is because they don't have a strong enough connection, an emotional connection with their goal. What do you truly want moving forward? Forget about everything people tell you to do. Forget about what people are posting on social media and telling you that's the right path, and just focus on you. What do you want? And understand deeply the why behind it. Why do you want this? Why do you want this? If you want to get to the root of this, one strategy that I use with my clients is the 5 whys. So you're going to ask why 5 times. Why do you want this goal? Or because of this, because of that, because of my kids, because of my family. I want to donate money to this charity because I want to be a good example to my kids. By the end of it, you can have full clarity about the reason why you want to do this and why this is worth the time and effort. What does this new version of you give you that your current life doesn't yet? Is it confidence? Is it safety? Is it stability? Is it purpose? Get clear on what this is. Pause the video and go and fill out that on your workbook, because next we're going to talk about emotional seasons and find out what emotional season you are in. Every transformation has 4 seasons, just like we have in nature. The first season is winter. This is a season of stillness. It's where we slow down, we reflect, we reset. Spring is the becoming season. It's where you are maybe starting new habits, new routine, experimenting with new things. Then we move into summer, which is our expansion season. It's where we have the peaks of energy. We are very energized and excited, and we can just double down and take a lot of action to create momentum on whatever we are doing. And then we move to the fall season, which is a season of integration, which is all about refining. It's about stabilizing and maintaining things that are already working. And the reason why you are so hard on yourself is because you compare your winter to someone else's summer. And the Bible says there is a season for everything. There's a season to grow, there's a season to rest, there's a season to refine. And just like in nature, we also have to adapt. Otherwise, we're going to have a burnout if we just continue in a summer season forever. That's why finding out what season you are in matters, so you can plan a strategy to match that season. Go ahead and open your template into the emotional seasons, and you're going to find out what season you are in right now and type in the comments. Are you in winter, spring, summer, or fall? Before we move into systems, this is the perfect time to talk about something that can help so many of you that are planning to launch new products and offer in the new year. If you are brainstorming ideas for new products, new templates, new digital products, you are going to need to do some market research just to make sure you don't spend months creating a product no one wants. That's why my favorite tool for that is Everbee Market Research, because it allows you to analyze trending products, find out what people are searching for, see how much money they are actually making, and you can also analyze what's in demand, what niches are growing, what price points are converting. If part of your New Year vision includes launching a new product, Everbee Market Research is going to save you a lot of time and money from trial and error. I'll leave my link in the description if you want to check Everbee and do a decent market research before you start creating a new product. Now let's get back to your transformation and see what are the systems that you need to put in place to achieve your goals. Your identity sets the direction, your why sets the motivation, but your systems, they actually create your transformation. And this is where I share my secret sauce to achieving my goals in my life and my business without the overwhelm. I use the 12-week year system, and this is what I've been using for the past 3 years consistently. And that's the only framework that really worked for me as a creative and multi-passionate creator. Basically, the 12-week year, you only have one big goal for the entire year, and you're going to break that goal into 4 smaller quarterly supporting goals. Each quarter is broken down by actions and habits that are going to support you to achieve that big goal throughout the year. This is how you become unrecognizable, by taking small actions, because once you have this system set up, all you need to do is follow the steps every single day, implement the habits and the small actions to achieve your big goal. For example, let's say your goal is to grow on YouTube and make 10K a month from your YouTube business. So that's your 12-week domino goal. You want to hit 10K subscribers. You want to know why this is important to you and your strategy. So you're going to break that down into quarters. Quarter 1, you are going to hit a subscriber number. You're going to focus on subscriber count and watch hours. So you're going to focus on publishing videos. Quarter 2, you're going to focus on getting brand sponsorship. So you're going to start monetizing your channel. Quarter 3, you launch a digital product and start monetizing with your own product. In quarter 4, you will refine and go into that fall season where you're going to create systems, systematize, refine, and continue doing what's working to hit this goal. And last but not least, you need to think about what are the repeatable actions and habits that you need to implement in this new identity that is part of achieving this goal. That is going to make it easier for you to achieve this goal with less effort. So for example, you want to add a weekly task of publishing a long form YouTube video. You want to create and publish YouTube shorts. I created a very simple system in this template for you just to help you get started. But if you'd like a detailed system with the 12-week year framework that you can implement straight away, even if you haven't read the book, you can go ahead and get the 12-week year hub. This is where I host all my 12-week year templates. I have tutorials and resources and links and other things that are just gonna support you in this process of setting your goals and using this system. This chapter of your life is not about becoming someone completely new over time. It's about co-creating a new life with God, a life that supports the person that you are becoming. You don't need to keep starting over. Once you get full clarity on who you are becoming and why, all you need to do is to show up as that person. Who is that person? How does she walk? How does she talk? How does she dress? What are the actions that she's taking that you are not yet? You need a lot of time and repetition. An identity is not built overnight. It's built day by day, 1% every single day, a little bit better, and taking actions that are in complete alignment with the person that you wish to become. Tiny shifts, tiny choices, and tiny acts of obedience. Those are the seeds God uses to grow a completely new harvest. As always, I am cheering for you. I can't wait to see you achieving all the goals that you put in this template. And I just want to say thank you for watching this video until the end. And if you didn't get yet, go ahead and grab your free template. This is completely free. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to give me your email. This is all for you to watch this video and take action. You can save this video to go back to if you want to do this later on. This is something that you can do at any time throughout the year. So if you found this helpful, leave a comment below and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.